Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Myself Dr. Akshay, and in today's session I'm gonna be discussing about the topic cytoskeleton. If you guys want to learn more about the cell, its structure and its functions, then click subscribe and the bell icon. So let's do this together. Coming to the topic cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton is a network of fibrillar proteins. This fibrillar protein originates as a precursor molecule which is synthesized by the ribosomes which are present in the cytoplasm. This precursor molecule will then polymerize to form filaments. So some of the examples for these filaments are, so the first example is the large number of actin filaments which are situated over the outer zone of the cytoplasm. This large number of actin filaments which are situated over the outer zone of the cytoplasm will provide elastic support for the cell membrane. In muscle cells, this actin and myosin will together form a contractile unit which helps in the contraction of muscles. Next, coming to microtubules. These are strong tubular structures. A special type of stiff filament which is composed of polymerised tubulin is found in all microtubules. So this is the microtubules from the flagellum of a sperm. You can see these are the microtubules which is present in the flagellum of the sperm. These microtubules are also present at the center of the cilium that radiates from the cytoplasm to the tip of the cilium. And in a mitosing cell, these centrioles as well as this mitotic spindle are composed of these microtubules. You can see this is a metaphase stage in a mitosing cell. You can see this centriole and this mitotic spindle are composed of these microtubules. So the primary function of these microtubules is to function as cytoskeleton. So the first function of this microtubule is that it provides rigid physical structures for certain parts of the cells. Second function of this microtubule is, since these microtubules are present over the cytoplasm, these microtubules also participates in cell division. And the third function of this microtubule is it allows the cells to move. And the fourth function of this microtubule is it provides a track-like system which allows for the cell organelle to move throughout the cytoplasm of the cell. So that covers the topic cytoskeleton. I hope you guys learned about this particular topic. Thank you so much guys. Love you all guys. See you guys in the next session.